Solving yet another question. If capital A denotes the area of the inner circle, you know this is the inner circle of triangle. The radius is r, so area will be pi r square. A denotes the area of the inner circle of triangle, and A1, A2, A3 the areas of x circles that appear here as you have seen earlier, x circles. Now we have to show that A1 power minus half, A2 power minus half, A3 power minus half is equal to A power minus half. I am proceeding. Given A is pi r square, A1 pi r1 square, A2 pi r2 square, and A3 pi r3 square. Area of x circles. A pi r square, area of inner circle, area of x circle, opposite A pi r1 square, opposite B pi r2 square, opposite C pi r3 square. So your left hand side now. A1 power minus half, A2 power minus half, A3 power minus half. This is 1 by root A1, this is 1 by root A2, this is 1 by root A3. It is necessary to tell you here A power half is root A, whereas A power minus half is 1 by root A. Same thing is used, A power minus half 1 by root A, 1 by root A2, 1 by root A3. Please see now. Substituting the values. A1 pi r1 square, pi r2 square, plus pi r3 square. Understand very well the substitutions. A1 is pi r1 square, area of one x circle, A2 pi r2 square, area of another x circle, and pi r3 square, area of the third x circle. I am rewriting, please watch. 1 by root pi r1, 1 by root pi r2, 1 by root pi r3, 1 by root pi common, pull out. What is left out? 1 by r1 plus 1 by r2 plus 1 by r3. 1 by root pi. This is 1 by r. There is a deduction now that can be used as a formula. 1 by r1 plus 1 by r2 plus 1 by r3 is 1 by r. This is a deduction from the formula, can be used itself as a formula. 1 by root pi r, or may I rewrite pi r square. And this is A. Or so to say, A power minus half. This is your right hand side proved. See another question, important question, many times asked question, please see. This is your left hand side. Sigma r plus r1 tan b minus c by 2. I am proceeding. Watch carefully. R delta by S. R1 delta by S minus A. Tan B minus C by 2. Please recall Napier's formula is there. That is tangent rule. Tan B minus C by 2 is equal to B minus C by B plus C cot A by 2. This is called Napier's rule or Napier's formula. Tan B minus C by 2 is equal to B minus C by B plus C cot A by 2. Important formula, Napier's formula or tangent rule. I will write in the next step the same formula. Let me copy tan B minus C by 2 as it is for the time being. Here delta common, 1 by S plus 1 by S minus A, tan B minus C by 2. LCM here. Keep watching carefully. This is 2S minus A, S into S minus A. See carefully, tan B minus C by 2. A quick review, please see. R plus R1 tan B minus C by 2 is the left hand side under sigma. R is delta by S, R1 delta by S minus A, tan B minus C by 2 is not changed so far. Delta common, 1 by S plus 1 by S minus A, tan B minus C by 2. Delta out of sigma or inside sigma, it affects nothing. 1 by S plus 1 by S minus A, LCM is S into S minus A, so S minus A plus S, tan B minus C by 2. Delta sigma 2S minus A by S into S minus A, tan B minus C by 2. 2S is A plus B plus C. Watch carefully. S into S minus A. Tan B minus C by 2, I am using that formula now. Understand very well. 2S A plus B plus C minus A, S into S minus A, tan B minus C by 2. That is the formula, B minus C by B plus C cot A by 2. Watch carefully. After cancellation of F, A, B plus C left out here, cancelling this B plus C therefore. 1 by S into S minus A, B minus C, formula for cot A by 2. S into S minus A by delta. This is the formula for cot A by 2. Check up the work. A cancel, B plus C cancel. S into S minus A, B minus C left out here. After cancellation of B plus C, cot A by 2 formula, S into S minus A by delta. I am proceeding. This delta can be pulled out. S into S minus A getting cancelled, sigma B minus C. And you know, this we can write after cancellation of delta, sigma B minus C is sigma B minus sigma C. And you know both are equal. So you can write sigma B minus sigma B, that is equal to 0. Reminding you this one, once again please see, sigma A, sigma B, sigma C all are equal, A plus B plus C. So I have replaced sigma B, sigma C by sigma B, which I can do, sigma B minus sigma B is 0, and that is what your right hand side is proved. Show in triangle ABC that R1 R2 multiplied by 4R minus R1 minus R2 by R1 plus R2 under root is equal to delta. An important question asked in your examination so many times. in many examinations. Please see. Rewriting. You can see here R1 plus R2 appears 2 times. So instead of treating them both the times, it is better to pull out R1 plus R2, work it out and substitute back. What I am saying is here. R1 plus R2 I want to work out separately, and whatever comes out I shall substitute here and here too. See here R1 plus R2. R1 there is a formula 4R sin A by 2 cos B by 2 cos C by 2. R2 4R cos A by 2 sin B by 2 cos C by 2. Important formula you are required to remember. R1 4R sin A by 2 cos B by 2 cos C by 2. R2 4R cos A by 2 sin B by 2 cos C by 2. I am repeating for your memory. R1 gives sin in A and others in cos. R2 gives sin in B, others in cos. So 4R sin A by 2 cos B by 2 cos C by 2 is R1. 4R cos A by 2 sin B by 2 cos C by 2 is R2. I am proceeding. 4R common. Also note cos C by 2 is common. So what is left out here? Sin A by 2 cos B by 2 cos A by 2 sin B by 2. Understand? After taking 4R cos C by 2 common, sin A by 2 cos B by 2 left out, here cos A by 2 sin B by 2 left out. You can see this is the compound angles formula, sin A plus B. Sin A cos B plus cos A sin B, sin A plus B. Sin A by 2 plus B by 2. For R cos C by 2, sin A plus B by 2. And sin A plus B by 2 is cos C by 2. You have already studied. For your memory, I am writing. Sin A plus B by 2 is cos C by 2. So this becomes 4R cos square C by 2. So your R1 plus R2 is now simplified to 4R cos square C by 2. R1 plus R2 has been simplified to 4R cos square C by 2. This 4R cos square C by 2 I am going to put here in the place of R1 plus R2 here also. R1 R2 4R minus 4R cos A by 2 cos square C by 2 in the place of R1 plus R2. Here also 4R cos square C by 2. For R cos square C by 2 has been substituted in the place of R1 plus R2. Please note, we have taken out R1 plus R2 separately and simplified. If we don't do that, we have to do the whole work in the numerator and also in the denominator. It will take a lot of time and also unnecessary labor. 4r minus r1 plus r2, again r1 plus r2. So this same work I have to repeat here 2 times. Instead, I have pulled out r1 plus r2, simplified and substituting back as it is. 4r common, 1 minus cos squared c by 2 by 4r cos squared c by 2. r1 r2 delta by s minus a delta by s minus b. Numerator 4r cancel, 1 minus cos squared c by 2 is sin squared c by 2 by cos squared c by 2 under root. This is delta square by s minus a, s minus b. And this is tan squared c by 2 under root. So let me write only tan c by 2. This is tan squared c by 2 under root. So tan c by 2. Tan c by 2, there is a formula. Please see here, delta by s into s minus c. Delta by s into s minus c is tan c by 2. So numerator becomes delta cube. This is s into s minus a into s minus b into s minus c. Entire is delta square. S into s minus a, s minus b, s minus c, delta square. So delta. Your RHS many times asked question in many examinations. Remember this question. I am solving another one now. This is a very short answer question. Look here. Very short answer question, but important. A by 2 sin A. R is A by 2 sin A, B by 2 sin B, C by 2 sin C. I have written A by 2 sin A. S minus A, there are several formulae. One formula is S minus A tan A by 2. There is a formula S minus B tan B by 2 also, S minus C tan C by 2 also. It's not relevant here because angle A is given in the question. I am using A formula only. Otherwise, R can stand for B by 2 sin B, C by 2 sin G, or small r can stand for S minus B tan B by 2, S minus C tan C by 2 also. But here relevantly I have used A formula because A is given. Two sin 90 degrees. Tan 45 degrees. Since A is equal to 90 is given. A by 2 sin A, S minus A, tan A by 2, tan 45 degrees. Sin 90 is 1, so only A by 2. Tan 45 is 1, so only S minus A. I will write here. Since sin 90 degrees is equal to 1 and tan 45 degrees 2 is equal to 1. I am proceeding now. A plus 2 times S minus A by 2. You can say I have taken LCM. A plus 2 times S minus A by 2. This 2 will cancel now. A plus, You have already studied 2 times S minus A is minus A plus B plus C. 2 times S minus A minus A plus B plus C. After cancellation of A, you are left with B plus C, that is required as right hand side.